Hi guys, we have this Good Night Power Active Plus Liquid Mosquito Repellent. Let's see its review. So this is pack of 2 refills, 45 ml each, and MRP is 150 rupees, but I got it from Amazon for 140 rupees. So the pack says it can fit in all kind of machine. We'll see that. So the liquid comes in these transparent refills, and to use, remove the refill cap. And I have this all out machine, so let me try to fit it inside this one. Okay, so I usually plug in the machine 30 minutes before going to bed and I run it on low mode and I don't find any mosquito at all. It covers the entire room. So the product was working perfectly with the all out machine. Now let me try with Goodnight Gold Flash machine. So this one liquid bottle, if you use it only during night and run it on low mode, it will last for 30 days easily, but if you run it on high mode, it vanish quickly, hardly 10-15 days. And also if you run it on high mode, you can get the smell. It's not overpowering, it's not suffocating, but yeah, you will definitely notice the moment you enter into the room. And with respect to the room size, 10 by 15 room size, 150 square feet area size is perfect. And if you are using it for a bigger hall, you might have to use 2 machines for bigger areas. Overall, the product is good. It fits in all machine and no mosquitoes after plugging in. So give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.